how to unlink a Konami ID account from eFootball. So if you want to unlink Konami ID account from eFootball, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your eFootball application. Once you do that, you need to just simply go with your extras option, which will be in the top right. From there, you'll get this kind of interface. You just need to simply go with support option, which will be on the bottom. Once you click on support, now you need to go with link data, which will be in the top left. And here, as you can see, that you will have linked option. So if you want to unlink, you need to go with view linked data, this kind of interface where you have all of your information, and then you will find an option of unlinked data, which will be in the middle of your screen. Once you tap on unlinked data, as you can see that it says you have already begun using eFootball points with this Konami ID. So you can no longer unlink it from your game account. So unfortunately, there is no way to unlink your Konami ID with eFootball. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.